We are here at the Radisson Star Plaza Hotel. And this is actually my first time going here. And probably my last time going here because pretty soon this whole place is going to be torn down and being rebuilt into a different hotel, but it's going to be taller than this. It's kind of crazy. So this place is actually going to close in December of 2016. Wow. Look at this place. The elevator's gotta be over here. Or maybe on the other side. Yeah.
I'll see the sign says.
So you got Starbucks here, which is kind of interesting.
What do you say here?
Let's go latitude. That's the convention center down there. Oh, there's a map right here. There's an elevator to floors 1 and 2. There's 3 of them. There's...
We're like right here. We're right around the corner here.
Yeah. So we are here at this hotel. This is a massive hotel.
I'm gonna go sit in the lobby.
Here we go. So there's 3 floors.
No, it's like except my dad says, this is the wrong thing.
Whoa.
And then now I'm sure you guys park, you know.
I'm in the back.
Yeah.
You can take this suitcase out.
This thing is so...
Thank you.
You got it? Okay.
Yep. Oh. Top floor, please.
Top?
Yeah.
Good day, guys.
This is actually a Westinghouse.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is.
Yep. 3 is where the theater is. The sky picture of the theater. Here we 3. Oh! Cabin there, elevators modernized this. 1. Going down?
We're going down.
£25 pounds. Hello. This is a very nice elevator, as you can see. Oh, that hurts my ears. These are your fixtures here, they're atoms. 188 pound, kind of like that being wide open there.
Out here?
Let's go to 3 actually, because this little label here actually says theater. See, look. Pretty smooth. I mean, yeah, kind of. You got advertisements in the back, which is interesting. Sheesh. Grade 3. Let's get off here, boy.
Okay.
It's just the theaters on this floor. It's off level. See, look. This hotel.
They ripped this whole door handle off here.
Wow. Straight. Yep. So crazy.
I want to say about $2 or $3.
They probably renovated this, so this is not original to the This is probably not original.
You taping this film?
Yeah. I'm doing urban exploring
Like
and
60.
the elevator videos at the same time.
I just have really good skin.
Yeah.
Oh god.
There's supposed to be 3 elevators in this building. There's one that goes 2 floors and then the other 2 goes 3.
Elevators D and E to the right. Elevators A and B to the left. Looks like there's 5 of them.
Yeah, I didn't realize this, but hey, here is elevator C.
How do you know this is elevator C?
It says right there. The button stays lit.
Oh, it's all
Ready?
right.
See, we got another elevator here. One. This one does not say the theater on the 3rd floor, but the sign says the sky bridge to the theater. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, we're gonna get a cab view here. It's a very nice elevator. It's been remodeled properly. Hello. Ads in the back, which is kind of interesting. 3. Door takes forever to open. See, look, elevators A and B. Star Plaza Theater. What's he look like, lantern? Whoa. Big bomb. Yeah, they didn't look like Westy. Whoa. Shoot.
Ready to get out?
Yep. Door takes forever to open like that.
Man, it's a slow door.
Now?
No,
What?
E?
Yeah.
Or no, D. Is it
D.
or D this way?
D. A and B is that way, and the sky bridge to the this sky bridge to like the Star Plaza Theater.
Oh.
So this is actually part of the Star Plaza, which is interesting. Someone actually decides to take off the
Elevator right there. See that sign?
zooming in and zooming out. Oh, look at this.
Elevator D.
Elevator D. It's actually one. This one actually goes upstairs, which is
This is in the tower.
no. It's probably still a Westy too.
We go back down there and we're taking pictures with people from Ramen.
Going down? Oh yeah, let's go up. This actually. Oh, it's Dover, not Westy.
Elevator.
This actually goes 4 floors, which is kind of strange. Man, that's a long beep. Wow. Here we are, 1. Is it gonna switch directions? Yes, it will. 4. Fast doors. Wait, let's do that again. See, look at that. Here we go, motor.
Where are we going now?
4.
Oh. Then we'll go back on at 3
Yep.
or walk over on 4.
No, you can't.
You go to elevator E on 4.
Elevator E. Wait, what? Elevator E. Huh.
I told you there's 5 elevators in this building, Jay, not 3.
There's 5 in this building.
Yep, I told you.
This is a big hotel.
Maybe they're tearing it down.
I know. I can't believe that either. And the Star Plaza Theater too. They're actually both tearing that down.
Where's the elevator?
You have to go for this door. I guess I would say this. Right here. This is yeah, floor 3 is where the skywalk is. The walkway to the Star Plaza Theater. And the lantern in this one. Different button panel. Still Dover. Interesting. This is like the back elevator here. That does not sound good. Here we one. Let's go 4.
Hello? Hey Jay, this is Danny. He's over at the house getting everything ready for the party.
Okay, good.
He said you can come now. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Well, he's glad you said that because he's been crying all day that he couldn't come. We can't talk right now. We're urban exploring, he said.
Yeah. This is weird. They put a
He
room.
wants to know if Christy can come.
Yeah.
Yes. We'll have to call you back though.
This is weird. They put a room here, a door right there.
I know, I can't believe it.
This is a really.
That might be like a really nice room, you know?
Yeah. This is a big hotel. I was surprised. I wasn't surprised that this is humongous. Thought this was 3 floors? 4. Yeah. We go down to 3, Ryan. Get the other 2 What?
Let's do it.
This is huge, humongous. I mean, I thought there were 3 elevators, but there's 5 in this hotel. Elevator D. We have gone down this one.
We gotta go down here.
Yep.
3.
3, yep. This is actually a flushing button right here.
And then we gotta get some pictures with some Ramacount people, Jay.
Yep. Hey, this is actually a flushing button. Third floor.
Going down.
Yep. Going down 1 floor.
Going down on this Dover.
Yep. It's actually Dover. That's a really annoying beep, by the way.
I love that beat.
I hate that beep.
Jeez, Jay.
Takes forever to level. Doors open before. Elevators A, B, and C.
Skywalk.
Yeah. This is an interesting hotel because this was built. The theater was built first. There used to be a cornfield around here. Now, in the 70s, they built this hotel. They connected the 2 buildings together by a skywalk, so it's very interesting. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. Oh yeah. This is elevator C right here. Elevators A and B.
We've only been at A.
Yeah. Atrium. Following this guy. Whoops, sorry.
Sorry.
Some people are crazy.
Ready?
This is. Yeah, that's the skywalk right there.
Wait. Oh, we didn't be this way.
Yeah. We'll check out this. Oh yeah, this is it right here. Look. Dover.
No, I think this is a, not a Dover.
Yes, it is.
I think it's a Westie.
Nope.
Yep.
Dover.
It's revitalized.
Wait till you see it.
Yep. Modernized.
Oh, yeah. Modernized by Westie.
Nope. Modernized at Cabinet. This is definitely interesting. Actually, there's an elevator that's 2 whoa. Anyway, I say this is. Look, going up. Come on in. Which floor?
3, please.
Alrighty. Here we go.
How are you doing today? Doing good? Yeah, good.
Theater Bridge. Here is 3.
You can hold the door for me, Jay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, this way. This way.
There's the sky bridge over there. we'll check that out. See here. Wait.
Wait. Oh, maybe that way.
This place is gonna be confusing. Yeah, this way. Elevator A. Probably all the way down there in the building. Excuse me, can I get through, please?
Sorry.
Hey, that's okay. Elevator A is down here. Yep, right here. This is actually Dover too. Interesting. Green and red. It's gonna be a long video actually. Green up. Let's go 3.
I come back down to 1.
Actually, we check out. Whoa. Yeah, I think there's one more elevator in this hotel actually.
What is this?
3.
Let's go to 1.
1. Wait, 2.
Oh, 1.
There's supposed to be another elevator. There's one more elevator actually. It serves 2 floors.
Where is it?
It's on 2. Not sure where, but I know there's one in here.
Let's look at the map. Want to get out of here?
Yeah. See, this is the 2nd floor right here.
Which we go this one?
Don't know. There's stairs right here. Kind of creepy 70s looking building.
Big time. This looks like the Holiday Inn over in
Yeah.
Best Western in
Yeah.
Ford.
No, that Best Western LaPorte. I think it's kind of a similar design to it. It feels like it's similar design. Actually, yeah, there's one more elevator in this hotel.
There is.
Yeah. But it doesn't serve the 3rd floor, so it serves only 2 floors actually. Creepy.
B, C, D, E, F.
F. I don't
Is
think
that the one we haven't been to?
Yeah, I think so. Elevators C through F. Yeah, I don't think we have been on F yet.
I don't think so either. It's probably way the hell down there.
Yeah. Probably near the convention center where they're doing their thing. Just definitely an interesting hotel.
Hi there.
Hello.
This way.
F, F, F. Where are you, F? Elevator D and E.
I think F is that first one we were in.
I don't know. Let's look at the map again. There's a map right there.
I think it's this one.
There's supposed to be one more.
Down that way.
Yeah. Huh. Designs can be confusing sometimes.
Wait.
What?
This is elevators A and B this way. C. Let's see this thing down here.
Yeah. This is for you, Gregonator, actually. Yep, this is for Gregonator. Because he's been friends with me for at least a few years
You
already.
guys did some,
Videos here,
you did a meetup.
well, kind of meet up, but technically not meet up, but it's okay. This is crazy. They're doing stuff in this place here.
You guys,
Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys doing?
we're doing
Dude.
great.
A for E. This is
What's this, F?
okay. It's,
Want to see me as a kid?
let's go up. It's gotta be We'll always have to look at the map again. This is probably the busy one. Oh. It's waiting. Whoa. Yeah.
How's everybody doing?
Pretty good. Feeling pretty primal today.
Yeah. Awesome.
I don't think you get why I said that.
I don't.
He's Beast Boy.
He looks like a beast.
Thanks, that's the
Yeah.
point.
Well, this guy was wanting to get pictures with as many of the Ramacon people as he could.
Oh, dude, yeah, this is like the perfect
Here we are.
opportunity.
Went on here?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
We're all going to the same floor.
We're all going to the third floor?
Yeah.
Third
floor. Party on the-
We'll jump out and get a picture.
Party on the third.
Yeah.
Party on the third. Party
Hey,
at
Jay, we're gonna get a picture here with these guys.
Already. Door handle. Someone broke the
I
door.
can't get to you, Justin. Wait a second.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine. I'm just like, my phone can wait.
This elevator is so busy. This is like the busiest elevator.
He's not. I know you're not. Okay. You look very tired.
Okay, fine. Yeah, there's supposed to be one more elevator in this building. If so, I wouldn't be surprised because I have to look at the big map at the beginning, boy.
Well, just text me or whatever.
It's me.
Just text me what it is. I'm gonna be in this all day.
Come on. This is Adam's mod. Here it is. It is, boy. Whoa.
Oh,
Sorry about that.
It's okay. We got a rusty track on the floor. I guess it's rusty blood
where you
here.
headed? One.
Wood. Hello.
Well, if you want a granola bar, it's chocolate.
Oh no, thanks so. You want that granola bar, Jay?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for asking. That's nice of you.
Hey, man. Gotta take care of each other at
Oh.
home, you know?
Oh yeah, I hear ya.
Whoa. I'm gonna take a. I know there's supposed to be one more in this building. Like, there's one in the convention center. Down this way.
Starbucks coffee. That's where we.
This way here.
I don't feel safe around here.
Hold on a second.
Yeah, like I only have to eat it like till. They don't dry out.
Oh, back to the party chair I go.
Sorry. This way. See, look.
Sands! Another Sands! Okay.
Yeah, get
Can I
out.
take a picture of you?
Yeah, sure.
There's 4 second floor.
Thank you. I love seeing people excited about Frozen.
So right now we're in the convention center.
This is the convention center?
Yeah. This is part of the hotel here. I'm gonna do some editing skills.
For when I had mine, you had it like up here.
I think I tied it.
Yeah, we're coming to the convention center. Look.
But I know that's where the guy.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, accidental photo Thank you.
Excuse me.
Thank you. I'll see you later. I'm sorry.
Here's the elevator to the to upstairs. My favorite button right there.
Yeah. I figured you'd go back home.
Here we go. I found this one finally. It's actually hidden in the convention center.
How you doing?
Here we go.
What kind of elevator is this?
Dover.
Oh. It's a fast one.
No, it's slow. See, look. Gotta push one. I push one.
Oh.
Just go down to one. This is a nice cab. Not with the mirror, but it's...
Hold on, I'm gonna take a video down.
See, look.
Jay, here we are at Ramakan.
Oh, so we push two. I guess that's it. Okay, I didn't see this walking by. I ended the video over at the last elevator, but this is not. There's so many elevators in this place. Dun, 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 dun. They could have easily made this one glass, but decided not to. It's crazy. Two. Going out. Here we are at floor 2. Instant door close, which I like that. Very nice elevator. Same thing as the first one. Why did they put advertisements in the back? That's an interesting question. One. I guess that's it.
Alright. Put it on your shoulder. This will be like. Let's go down here, Dave. A little more Ramakan down here.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
How do you like Ramakan so far?
It's pretty interesting.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, I've never been in here, but
I know you've never been here, but what do you think about Ramakan? I mean, I know you like this hotel, but what's going on here? Oh, this is the game room.
game room, that's interesting. Same way. Yeah, this is definitely a very unique hotel. But unfortunately, this hotel is going to be demolished and be rebuilt as a 6 or 7 story hotel, something like that. So it's going to be interesting whirling after conventions here.
Wait a second. Well, let's go. Let's turn right here.
But they've got like gel and
oh yeah, that's what I heard from a couple internet online resources. They said that they're actually replacing this hotel in the Star Plaza, Star Theater actually, this hotel and Star Theater with a new hotel.
Right.
But the theater is not going to be there anymore, so it's going to be interesting if people are going to stay here or do that kind of stuff.
Oh my gosh, this is like too much.
Right.
This is like.
Ow. Whoa. like a 3-day event or something like that. So yeah, it's crazy. Surprisingly, I'm kind of surprised that they're actually tearing down this hotel. I said, I'm kind of surprised that they're tearing down this hotel. In fact, it looks very nice, but...
Where do you want to go?
Want to go to the Star Theater?
No, let's just, we need to move him. Get out of here.
Oh yeah? That hurts when you do that.
Hurts, what hurts?
When you push on my shoulder, you... Yeah. The guy got me
Jay.
City.
Let's do a little interview here. Jay, what do you think so far of Ramakan?
It's crazy.